Icon Siam station,
Yeah,
and the next one is here, Klongsan,
Klongsan station.
and we can go to Long Nanjing Nanjing from here.
Yeah, it's about 10.
Ah, is it here? We have to turn here or not?
Oh, check.
Because I can see this Long Nanjing
Oh, yeah.
Nanjing
Yeah.
heritage.
Follow the
Here.
indication.
Hello everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hope you are doing great today. We are at Klongsan BTS station. It's Friday evening,
Yes.
almost 7.
Yeah, it's 7 p.m. already.
Okay, and we are now heading to Long 1919.
What is long 1919, Daniel?
So Long 1919 is like Asiatic, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like a commercial space where we can find some restaurants, cafe, shops, and the design is like Chinese style
Mm-hmm.
in ancient old warehouse.
Yeah, this is what we saw. Old warehouse, old port.
Yes, old port.
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically it's really like Asiatic, because Asiatic was also old port and old warehouse, and they took over and just renovate and do something commercial for shopping,
Yeah.
and it's really beautiful. And so for Long 1919, it's in Chinese style.
So
And
let's explore.
yeah.
We'll see how it looks like.
yeah,
First time for us going there.
yes,
So,
first time, so we really want to see how it looks.
yeah.
So, sorry, sorry for the tuk-tuk. So to come here, we took the BTS, so the new line actually, the Golden Line. The Golden Line, they opened it a few days ago.
Oh, a few weeks already.
Yeah, maybe a few weeks.
Yeah.
And it's famous because we can go to the mall Icon Siam with this new BTS.
Yeah, it's a gold line, and you have 3 stops for now. So this BTS is going to Icon Siam and Long 1919.
Yes. So it go from Kongtongburi,
Yes.
and then after you have the Icon Siam station,
Yeah.
and the next one is here, Klongsan,
Klongsan station.
and we can go to Long Nanjing Nanjing from here.
Yeah, it's about 10.
Ah, is it here? We have to turn here or not?
Oh, check.
Because I can see this Long 1919
Yeah.
heritage.
Follow the
Here.
indication. So yeah, it's about a 10 minutes walk from Klongsan around. We will see if it takes 10 minutes or maybe longer. So I don't know, guys, if you saw our video of the new God line when we try to take it for the first time, and we were wondering where is Klongsan station. So
Yes.
now we
Yeah.
are. So
Now we are now here.
yeah.
Yeah, because we are wondering, because we took it to go to Icon Siam,
Yes.
and we didn't know where Klongsan station.
Mm-hmm.
And so today it's
It's a
new
day,
occasion
yeah.
to come here and explore,
The area.
and see it.
So Long 1919 is located on the west bank of Sharproya, on Thonburi side, actually.
Ah yes, west side.
Yeah. Yeah. We
And,
hope the place is open, sorry.
Yes, hope it's open
Yeah.
because now it's a little bit complicated situation with the COVID-19
Yeah.
because recently here in Bangkok we had some new cases
Mm-hmm.
and but now it's better and better. But yeah, we have some regulation, some places closed for prevention, and
So
so we hope it's open.
we will check for this for you guys.
And if it's so it's called 1919.
Mm.
It's because we had a family that
Yeah,
But,
the Wang Li
I-
family.
okay,
Yeah.
they bought the area, the space, the warehouse
Mm-hmm.
in 1919.
Yeah,
So
true.
that's why we have this year in the name.
Yep.
But it's just recently that
Yes.
they use it. They renovate it
Yeah.
first, and then they use it as a commercial shopping place.
Yes. It was in 2016 they renovated it.
Ah, yes.
Mm.
So here we are in a residential area, I think. There's a lot of house and a small Thai shop and tuk-tuk.
Yeah. We are almost there.
Already?
Mm. Yeah, maybe 2 minutes walk.
There's many tuk-tuk here.
Yeah.
Maybe many tuk-tuk driver live around here.
Maybe. Oh, it's nice bicycling at this time, I think, like him.
Hmm?
It's nice to bicycle.
Ah, yes. I didn't see her.
Oh, I didn't see.
Oh, there is some animation there.
Yeah. They are playing.
It's
Oh.
children playing. I don't know what on the street. Are you sure it's here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's here. It just ahead, I think. You just.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's like
Old building like this. Oh, there is Chinese lamp there.
Chinese feeling now. So they are playing soccer, football.
Yeah. You want to play with them?
Here, what do we have here?
This is long 1919 actually, I think. Oh, is it?
Oh no, it's closed.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the long 1919, we guess.
Oh yeah, we cannot see it. It's all dark.
Yeah. I don't know if it closed because it's 7 p.m. and it will open.
No.
It open. I'm checking. So it says that it closed at 8 p.m. but now it already closed. So maybe it's because of the COVID-19 thing. Oh.
Okay. Sorry guys.
So sad.
So it's closed. We come back later when it will open again.
Yeah, maybe we try during the day
Yeah, maybe another.
just to show the area because it looks nice here. Maybe during the day there's street food also.
Yes.
So yeah, we definitely will try again.
Yeah, because here we have some food and there is even a restaurant. Like you can eat outside on the street. So it's nice. But yeah, okay. So it's it's too bad. It's too bad. But yeah.
It's not that bad because we
But
explore a new area
yes.
during the evening,
Yep.
and oh, it's beautiful.
This is the Tower of Iconium.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But yeah, but it was okay. We wanted to see Long Nanjing,
Yeah.
but now we are exploring. So at least we
Be careful.
saw the street, and we know where is Klongsan and yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So it was nice anyway, guys, right? So hope you like it, and if so, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel to see more videos of us exploring Bangkok, Thailand. And yeah, and hopefully you see something new with us tonight also. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys.
See you guys.